Welcome back, and you are watching Claptrap. We are back again. This is the best video for hardware and accessories. Let's begin the video.
All right. Hi Rudraksh.
हेलो
How are you doing?
आई एम गुड आप कैसे हो
मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Thank you very much. I'm with an interesting gentleman we have met before. Rudraksh is with us. Rudraksh, we have already done a video with you.
यस
Welcome back to Claptrap.
थैंक यू
The name of the company is MPG Hardware that I'm aware of. The rest you have to honor us with.
वी आर हैविंग टू ब्रांड्स अंडर MPG firm Baker and Pants
Okay.
and we are having all kind of like you can say one step solution to all type of hardware products, be it kitchen accessories, wardrobe accessories, or all type of handle, knob, lock, hinges, channel.
All right. Okay, so we'll start exploring products one after another. When we talk about hardware, trust me, people do not realize a good hardware not only make your life, I mean, your home look beautiful, but also it withstand with a lot of functionality, because hardware is something like, for example, door handles. You use them so frequently on everyday basis that if they are not of good quality and the superior, genuinely superior,
Yes.
then you will have, you will not have a hassle-free life, right? Okay, right. So we'll start exploring one after another. In this video, we'll be talking about wardrobes,
Wardrobes.
handles, and kitchen. We'll
Yes.
start with wardrobes.
With wardrobes we can start, yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
All right. So MPG Hardware, as we said, is the company that is providing accessories and a lot of hardwares. In every single episode, we'll be talking about it. This episode is dedicated to all the people those who are making wardrobes. MPG Hardwares will be showing a lot of interesting hardwares now, right?
Yes.
Starting with an interesting stuff that has recently come. पूरे वीडियो में आज हम दिखाएंगे आपको वार्डरोब में लगने वाले वो एक्सेसरीज जो आपके वार्डरोब्स को लग्जूरियस बनाते हैं, राइट?
हाँ जी.
ओके, वो सेकंड पार्ट में होगा, लेकिन एक इंटरेस्टिंग पीस यहाँ पे हमें
And I will show you some accessories that we have introduced. Excuse me, बैठना एक बार. This is the bar, motorized bar counter. You can place your television as well in this.
This works on the hydraulic basis. Okay. Superb. This is, you are operating with the help of remote?
Yeah, this is 100% controlled by the remote. If you want to stick it somewhere, you can just stuck it.
You can
At
stop
any
it anywhere.
yeah, at any point you can stop it.
All right. Okay. So, what is the size of this? I mean, this can be expanded.
We can customize it at any size. The
Any size?
motor we will provide you.
Alright.
If you want the motor, then you can make whatever you want.
All right. This is noiseless.
Huh,
motor, no kind of
100%,
noise, no
without
short
any
noise.
noise.
You can
Nothing,
use this.
nothing.
A lot of people in China have been using them in the kitchen counters as well.
People
as
have
a
started
storage,
it,
right?
yes.
But generally, where do you use this?
Either in bar or in television, you can place television over here.
A lot of interior designers, they profess that when you have a beautiful view from the window,
Yes.
and you don't want to block it with the television, you can use this accessory, right? So you are selling these accessories independently.
Both things we are doing, but the accessory is more popular. So if you want, we can provide you with the accessory as well, and we can provide you with the guidance how to make this.
All right. This can be used from both the sides, because this is since it's a bar counter.
Yeah,
Right? Okay. Done. Now moving on to the next section.
yeah. Now I will show you our design of wardrobes, what kind of wardrobes we have launched,
Okay.
what more products we have.
Intention is to show wardrobes or to show accessories.
Accessories of the wardrobes and the new shutters that we have launched.
Right.
Also the most premium leather shutters we have launched.
All right.
I will show that as well.
ओके, तो जो अब हम प्रोडक्ट दिखाने जा रहे हैं वो लूज एक्सेसरीज हैं.
हाँ जी.
और शटर्स रहेंगे जो आप
Shutters.
इंडिपेंडेंटली ले सकते हैं.
हाँ जी.
Are you looking for a channel partner for it?
Yeah. Of course, we are having more than 500 dealers. Also, we want you can join us and we can do the business together.
All right. ठीक है, done. So once again, let me remind all the viewers, please fasten your seatbelts, because we're going to show some of the most premium luxury wardrobe accessories you can acquire from MPG, right? Let's start the journey.
Okay.
Right? Okay, chalo. Right.
This is the new shutters that we have introduced. These are in leather, and like this is the most premium range that we are having as of now.
Right.
You can see the quality of the shutters. The aluminum profile is there in edges of the shutter, be it the top or the bottom part. The leather is covered in both the places.
Right.
In the
Both
front as
sides.
well. Yes.
Inside, outside,
In
both.
back also
Okay.
the fabric is all over the shutter. And
This is not genuine leather.
no, this is not genuine leather can't be
But
placed
as
on
good
this.
as- okay.
We also need to see that where the product is need to be used.
Right.
If we will place genuine leather, that it won't work.
Right. Okay. And then
I will
what
show
are the
you more
colors
colors.
available in this?
This is the sky blue color. This is something in white color.
Okay.
We are having hardware range in this also. You can change the handles according to your choice. And I will show you more. And here also the leather is both side placed. I will show you more better.
Okay.
Yes.
Done. We'll go to the next one. We'll check this next one. This one.
This is the blue shutter.
Okay.
The fluted design is all over this middle area. You can also use in sliding wardrobe. You can use this.
Alright. Designing a shutter totally depends on your aesthetics. It can be completely fluted, half fluted, semi-fluted, classical, right?
100% according to design.
Okay.
I will show you more colors in this. This is another design. Like the handle is inbuilt in this. You just need to press it. The handle will come up.
Oh, okay. Oh, very safe and secured handles basically.
Yes, all the leather is all over the board.
Okay.
More I will show you.
What are the other colors you have in this? How many colors are available in this?
Any color we can make.
Okay. Oh, this can be customized in any color.
Any color we can make, any design. Like if you want fluted in this, we can add flute in this. And whatever color you want, whatever design size you want, we can provide you with that.
All right. Okay. When we talk about wardrobes, we do not limit ourselves to the spectrum of wardrobes. We also talk about sideboard units, of course, and media units that can also be made, right?
Yeah.
A lot of bars can be made out of
Yeah, in today's time, people want that. They want a small, we can say a small bar they want in their bedroom or dining room.
Okay.
So this we have introduced. In this also, the profiles are in leather. We can place glass and leather here in the profiles.
Okay, so I'm getting to understand, because you are my guru today, I'm getting to understand that there are two types of shutters, be it your wardrobe or your bars or TV unit or media unit or maybe a sideboard. So there is one is opaque, that can be of mica, veneer, and third one you said is a leather finish.
Yes, leather finish also we have
Okay.
introduced.
And second one is where you have profiles and transparent material.
Yeah, you can place glass over here, the tinted glass, fluted glass people like.
Okay, done. So what? Okay, let's go to the next one now. The carcass we are talking about. A lot of people have been using other materials. What is this material inside?
HDHMR we can use. Also we can use ply according to the customer that what is their budget and what they want in that.
Okay, done. And finishing also plays an important role. A lot of people are concerned about these edges. Some of the edges are very, very sharp. Sometimes, but your workmanship is amazing. What do you do basically?
We are having a very high cost set of machinery that pays the edge bending and all, which provide us the best finishing.
Okay, done. And we'll check out some shutters now. We'll check out some accessories.
Yes, wine
This
rack.
is an interesting. This accessory is actually something that is not very usually found, right?
हाँ मतलब
Kindly tell us about this one. What is this accessories called as?
These accessories are usually for bar unit. Like we are having two sizes in this, 600 mm and 900 mm. Like you can buy the accessories from us and like you can make the bar counter at your home itself. And we are having glass holder as well.
Okay.
You can place your glass on the top of the shelves.
All right. All right. So we are not limiting ourselves to wardrobes. We are also talking about accessories available.
Yeah,
for us.
all these accessories are covered in pure. I cannot say pure leather, but type of leather finish.
All right. Okay. Done. What else we have in terms of hardware?
I will show you more accessories.
Let's go check out some more accessories. रुद्राक्ष, जिस तरह से स्मार्ट डोर्स हैं आपके पीछे हम देख रहे हैं, जिनके प्रोफाइल्स बहुत स्लीक एंड स्लिम होते हैं, उसी तरीके से वार्डरोब्स के अंदर भी पीपल एक्सपेक्ट कि उनके जो प्रोफाइल्स हैं वो थोड़े स्लीक हो, स्मार्ट हो, काफ़ी सारी एक्सेसरीज हों, बीट लाइटिंग, बीट पुल आउट्स, वॉचेस, सारी स्टोरेज. Profiles are such a crucial part, I tell you. People do not realize sometimes they use very thick profiles. Are these slim profiles comfortable?
We have introduced slim profiles जो leather में covered है.
अच्छा.
Like you can see, check out these profiles. ये पूरी प्रोफाइल में फ्रंट एंड बैक में लेदर है. लाइक यू कैन परचेज दिस प्रोफाइल्स एंड मेक वार्डरोब आउट ऑफ इट.
Okay.
इसमें कलर्स भी अवेलेबल है. मोका कलर एंड क्रीम कलर आर द टू मेन कलर्स जो ज़्यादा चलते हैं. एंड इसका टॉप बॉटम भी है, उसमें भी पूरा लेदराइट है.
Okay.
टॉप प्रोफाइल भी बॉटम में भी.
अगर बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता रहेगा कि wardrobe making is such an easy thing, but actually not. There are a lot of technicalities involved. As you said, profile, the thinner are better, slimmer are better.
And hinges
then
also-
hinges are very important. I have seen a lot of people making it very functional. They move it 180 degree.
Yeah, there are many types of hinges that we also have.
Right.
Like air hinge we have, pin hinge we have. I will show you in the further video.
हिंजेस को लेके एक छोटा सा कंप्लेंट भी आता है लोगों का.
Yes.
लोगों को लगता है कि corrosion and dust rusting is one of the biggest problems, especially in coastal areas. आपके जितने भी हिंजेस होते हैं बेसिकली इन सब में ना रस्टिंग हो जाती है,
हाँ जी,
तो जनरली प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का होना चाहिए, राइट?
हाँ जी।
तो ये हम कैसे इसको क्वालिटी मेंटेन
वॉट वी आर डूइंग दैट, ये हिंजेस सारे टेस्टेड है, सबकी अपनी एक साइकिल है
अच्छा।
एंड बहुत बार इनको टेस्ट करा है। ऑल्सो दे ऑल आर इन 304 ग्रेड,
ओके,
तो इसमें जनरली रस्ट नहीं लगता।
Right.
एंड दीज आर सम एक्सेसरीज दैट वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड।
अच्छा,
दिस इज द ओवल ट्यूब ऑन विच वी हैंग द क्लोथ्स। इसमें भी लेदर है।
ये लाइट भी है,
हाँ, नहीं लाइट वाला इसमें है बट उसमें फिर लेदर नहीं है।
अच्छा,
हाँ जी,
Done.
दिस इज द ज्वेलरी बॉक्स टाइप पर। इसमें आप रिंग्स रख सकते हैं, टाई रख सकते हैं, डेली यूज़ का ज्वेलरी रख सकते हैं उसमें।
राइट। और इसकी प्लेसमेंट आपकी हाइट के हिसाब से होगी?
अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्लेस, इफ यू वांट कि आपको एक्सेसरी चाहिए दैट आल्सो वी कैन प्रोवाइड, एंड ओनली यू कैन लाइक प्लेस इट वेयर एवर यू वांट।
Wow, this is a wonderful opportunity. In case you want your wardrobe to be designed, of course you can contact MPG Hardware. But in case you are looking for hardware only, you can
Accessories
also contact, right? Accessories and hardware. So tell me about this. What is this?
This is the trouser rack. Like you can place your trouser or belts over here.
Okay,
Like it is easy to like just pull it up and use it daily in the morning
right.
rather than finding it in the mess.
And this one?
This is the watch winder. Like you can place your watches inside it. You can see that in today's time, like watches need pulse movement and wrist movement so that time can work.
They
Like
charge.
premium watches like Rado and Rolex, they want wrist movement to work.
Right.
So in this, all the watches will move so that the time doesn't stop.
Wow, this is so luxurious. This looks pristine, extremely luxurious, right?
Yes.
This looks like a vault to me.
Also,
Very
it is
nice.
not working, but this is so premium product. The light is in there,
Right.
and you can like use it in your day-to-day activity as well.
Okay. Right.
We are having color into this.
Right. What is this one? Is
This is the jewelry box. You can like place your wallets, bracelets, and your like
Cufflinks.
day-to-day products over here, and like just for a go through.
all right. Okay. Done. So the size of the compartment will totally depend on how do you want to use
The
it.
accessories are in usually 600 mm or 900 mm.
All right.
This is the trouser rack. Like we told, for the men, these are some accessories.
Okay.
Also, you can like put sari and all. The trousers can be hung on this, and then we can use this
And they are deliberately made with little fruit and grains.
so that the
It
cloth doesn't slip.
out. Okay. It doesn't slip down and it stays here. Okay.
Yes.
And then next?
This is the shoe rack. You can place your all type of premium shoes here inside the wardrobe itself.
Okay. Done. This is also made with a lot of CNC cut work. So they
These
doesn't
all are in
slip.
aluminium, as you told, that rust problem and all that comes. So we are keeping that thing also in mind.
Okay. Great. Chalo, we'll check out the next one. I think this is for the first time in the history of Crab Trip. I've not shot something like this. Let's open this for us. Yes, yes. Very premium.
These are slim profiles that you might have seen like profile coming in 45 mm, but we have made them so thin so that
Okay.
it will look more
Very
premium.
smart. Very premium.
And earlier people used to like pull their clothes down, but we have introduced this sensor one. Like you can just touch it, the clothes will come down by itself.
Superb. I mean, I've seen people using a lot of manual handles.
That climbing type something come, we need to pull, but the complaints were coming. Like you can easily, the Indian housewives can easily put the clothes and it will go
Wow,
outside.
very nice. Very, very functional for all the ages, for all the heights. Right?
Yes, I will show you more product. This is the leather safe. Like you can place your all. You can like use the passcode and biometric as well. You can place all your type of important products inside this. You can just need to place your finger. All the products you can store inside it.
Oh, this is more like a bowl,
Safe, you can
like
say.
a safe.
Like we are saying leather safe itself. We are having two color into this: mocha color and this grey color.
Okay, done. And then below, down below.
This again, this is an extendable jewelry tray. Like people were saying that my drawer is small or big. Like you can adjust it. If your drawer is small, you can make it small.
Superb.
And if you want that your drawer is a big or small, you can just open it up.
Expandable.
Yeah, 100% adjustable.
And there's a reason why there's a glass on the top. So you know what is lying there.
You can easily understand what all is put up there.
Soft close. Okay.
soft
They
close.
say that the well-organized wardrobe means you're saving $1 million.
Yes, we
Because
can
you know
say.
what is kept where, and you save a lot of time also, right?
This is the fixed one. Like we saw, this was extendable, but this is all fixed. You can place your jewelry and material over here.
Right.
Some metal inside this also you can add.
So everything remains intact and organized.
Yes.
Wardrobes are actually more like organizers, I guess.
This is the new color. Like you have seen the fluted one, but the flutes are there. But this is all in mocha color.
Okay. And then down below?
That's their double mounted trouser rack.
Okay.
You can put your pants, trousers on both the side.
All right. But this is placed below, but actually not supposed to be.
No,
This
we
is just
can
for the
place it
display.
anywhere. We have to just display.
Right. Okay. Let's check out few more accessories.
And hinges,
Huh?
there are the hinges that we have placed. These are air hinges. You just need to place the hinge in top and the bottom. No like hinge 4 hinges or 5 hinges on a single shutter.
Oh, only obnoxious hinges.
No, only 2 hinges. The one at the bottom and one at the top. That too very small hinge.
So it becomes very smart and,
And
luxurious.
yeah, it can hold a very healthy amount of weight of the shutter.
Let's go to the next one. And this one, there are a few more accessories in this.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the another new profile that we have launched. This is the leather profile. This come in 3000 mm. You can buy these profiles, and this is the butterfly handles placed over it. We are having more type of handle and color in this profile. I will show you some accessories as well. This is the old one that used to come for hanging the clothes.
Okay.
That I showed you in automated version.
Right.
This is the new color that we have launched. You can like just
Pull it down.
pull it up, pull it down, and just hang your clothes over here. Then it will go upside.
Okay.
These are some leather trays and drawers that we are providing. Like people are making drawers and you can just place the. These are small drawers that any size if you want you can place it over there.
All right. These are portable also. You can
Yeah, you can
actually
just-
take them
If you
anywhere.
want the small, you can take the small one. This is the same one. This is a different color. Yeah, this is the single one. I showed you double mounted rack. This is
Right.
the single one. You can place your trousers and saris over this.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Yes, I
Alright.
will show you more.
All right. So this was a small sample we got to see. That's all for now.
Yeah, I know. I will show you one shoe rack that we have introduced in the new color. We have placed pin hinge over here as we were talking, a different type of hinge. This is
Right.
the pin hinge that will make the shutter openable 180 degree.
Wow.
You can open the whole shutter 180 and easily use the. You can like easily utilize the space.
जनरली पीपल एक्चुअली लोगों को होता है काफ़ी सारा डिस्कम्फर्ट होता है जिसकी वजह से 180 डिग्री वो पूरा शटर ऊपर नहीं
हाँ
हो
जी,
पाता
easily वो use कर पाते हैं because rooms are becoming a bit compact.
Right.
And
Okay.
beds के साथ होते हैं wardrobes, तो wardrobes एक बार खुल जाए तो people are not able to move at the back side.
Exactly.
तो once the shutter opens 180 degree, people can like use the space more efficiently.
Okay.
I will show you the shoe rack. This is the rotatable shoe rack. इसमें भी leather finish है, like you can see, and like you can place all your shoes all over the particles.
ओके ग्रेट इज इट्स as in it's smell resistant and wind cloud gather a lot of resistance easy to clean
हाँ,
How
it
do you
is
clean this?
very easy to clean. Like you can just clean it with a cotton, wet cotton cloth.
all right done. This of course can be used in the corner as well right
Anywhere you
The space
can use
management
it.
is very important part when it
Anywhere.
comes to wardrobe, right okay so this cannot be made as a pull out
We can make. We are having a different type of profile as well. It's in taper only. We apply that profile. Then, as you told, it will just pull out. Yes.
Okay, Rudraksh, so time to say goodbye. Before we
Thank you.
sign out, once again, I know this has been a little erratic video because generally we have a very smooth sail with you,
Anji.
right? But since okay,
Thank you.